pwede na nimo sudlan og tubig, Juice Baron, energy drink, or Maria Clara, Novelino, Mompo, so on and so forth. Ilhan kay manginginom mo. Ilhan kay manginginom. Basta wa ang papa. Okay. Alright, so next thing we have in here, additional gifts. Okay, so we're going to untie the knot, the ribbon perhaps here on this gift. So as you can see, there are 2 boxes. So we're going to open this first or this first, which you prefer. So let's open this one. Let's see kung unsay sulod ani nga gift. Tanaw na kung unsay sulod. Dugay na kung wa ka duwa og Minecraft. So if ever makalugar ko duwa og Minecraft no, kay abang-abang sa mga lugar nga akong sundugon sa Minecraft. Okay, so open na siya. Unsa kaha ni? Uy, something fragile. Oh my gosh. Literally, it's fragile good. So, we're going to open this one. Let's see what we can do for this. Oh, here. Nara. Ara. Okay, so ako ni i-open. Oh my God! Another fragile thing. Another fragile. Hello, good afternoon, magandang hapon, may hapon, buenas tardes, maradyong na hapon, madyong hapon, maupay nga kulo Pilipinas. This is yours truly, VJ Pendleton Thompson. Yes, you heard it right and you see me right. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and outside the Philippines, welcome to our newest na jud. Okay, unboxing vlog. Okay, dugay na jud kaayo nga nakapag unboxing vlog, no? Katong, if I'm not mistaken, sa t-shirt to. Itong time na member pa ko sa social communications sa parish. Okay, so on this unboxing vlog, okay, allow me to open these following gifts given to me by my student interns here in CTU main campus. So without further ado, let's begin.
Jogo ng boss, vagina. Lick, lick, lick. Jogo ng boss. Lick, lick, vagina. Pussy, lick, the beat doses. Jogo ng boss, vagina. Lick.
So here we are again. Alright, so we're going to open these gifts. Yeah, these gifts coming from my interns, student teaching interns here in CTU main campus. So let's begin with this one. As you can see here, it says vacuum flask set. Okay, vacuum flask set. So let's open this one. Oh my goodness. It's a tumbler, the eye. It's a tumbler. Okay, so you're going to open like this. Naa siya'y option kung imong itungab, kani siya nga button. You're going to press this. Yeah, you're going to press this, then imong itungab. And the other thing, in order for you to refill this cylindrical, what you call this one? Cylindrical tumbler. Okay, you're going to open this cap like this one, and ayan. Ayan. Pwede na nimo sudlan og tubig, Juice Baron, energy drink, or Maria Clara, Novelino, Mompo, so on and so forth. Ilhan kay manginginom mo. Ilhan kay manginginom. Basta wa ang papa. Okay. Yes. And besides, napay additional caps. Yeah. Backup caps perhaps. Tulon siya kabuok. So, ay option. Asay mo pilion. Kaniba, or kaniba. Okay. So, here. Ako nang balikon. Kani siya. Ako nang balik diri. Ako nang balik diri. Then, ako nang i-close. Like this. Okay. Then, ang additional cups, ako i-balik diri sa rectangular nga box. Okay, here. I-balik diri like this one. Then, akong ibalik sa sudlan na. Akong ibalik sa sudlan. Okay, so, alright, so, next thing we have in here, additional gifts. Okay, so, we're going to untie the knot, the ribbon perhaps, here on this gift. So, as you can see, there are 2 boxes, so, we're going to open this first or this first? Which you prefer? Kani ba o kani? Okay. Pili lang. So, in my case, kanila. Okay. So, let's begin opening. Let's begin to open this gift. Empezamos a abrir este regalo. Let's begin to open this gift. Okay. Spanish to. Empezamos. It means let's begin. Empezamos o vamos a abrir, which means to open este regalo, this gift. Yes. Nag-Spanish 101 na dyan ta diri. Nag-Spanish 101 na dyan ta diri. Yeah, speaking of Spanish, kay I'm currently handling Fallout 1 and Fallout 2, which is Espanol Basico and Espanol Intermedio. Okay, so moong wala na kay ko ka duwa karon og Minecraft tungod kay I'm now working as a instructor here sa CTU, tapos I passed the LET for only an attempt way back 2023. Yes, 2023 ko nakapasar sa LET. Then months after, to be very honest, one instructor of mine here sa CTU informed me, chatted me perhaps na kuan sila, need sila o instructor. So, mauto, without further ado and without any further hesitation, gidawat na ko ang offer. So, mauto. I've been working here sa CTU for 2 years na. Mag 2 years pa lang. Yes. Mag 3 years pa lang kay na kuan ko diri October 2023. Yes. So, going back, I took the LET on March 2023. I passed the LET May of the same year. Then, I started working here sa CTU October of the same year. Okay, so, chika galore na gitaan ni. So, let's open this one. Let's see kung unsay sulod ani nga gift. Tanaw na kung unsay sulod. Dugay na dyan kung duwa og Minecraft. So, if ever makalugar ko duwa og Minecraft no, kay abang-abang sa mga lugar nga akong sundugon sa Minecraft. Okay, so, open na siya. Unsa kaha ni? Uy, something fragile. Oh my gosh. Literally, it's fragile good. It's fragile. It's literally fragile. If I say fragile, something na siya nga mabuak. Mug. It's a mug. Oh my God. mabuak nga mug or fragile nga mug. So as you can see, na siya'y cover to cover this cup. Okay, mo ni siya. And okay, so pilain. Yan siya. Pilain. We're going to open this one. Vamos a abrir este regalo ahora mismo. Okay. Okay, chika galor na sa ta. Mong makasabot yung ko og Spanish, no? It's because ang akong papa, no, well, is a Chavacano speaking individual, or should I say Zamboangueño by birth. Yes. New Year baby siya, tapos paan siya, Zamboangueño by birth. And first ko naka-learn og Spanish sa yahara pod kay if we say Chavacano, it is a Spanish Creole language or na siya Spanish fragment. So silbi ang Chavacano kay comprised of pila ka Spanish words alongside with other dialects like Cebuano, Tausug, Waray, so on and so forth. So we're going to open this one. Let's see what we can do for this. Oh, here! Nara! Ara! Okay, so ako ni i-open. Oh my God! Another fragile thing! Another fragile! Another fragile! Okay, it's a charming panaksan. Fragile nga panaksan. Pero need pa siya hugasan before i-use. So, kung unsa man imong mapalit nga panaksang baron or kani, ang pinaka first thing nimong buhaton, no, kay dili jud siya gamiton dayon, hugasan una siya. Kay delikado nang makuan ng tag mikrobyo nga, you know, di makita dire. And other thing, yes, kani ko di I forgot to present this one. Kaning sunflower, gihatag ko ni sa akong mga interns. Gihatag ko ni siya sa akong mga interns. Well, this one kay gihatag ko ni siya sa gihatag ko ni siya sa akong igagaw last year during my birthday. Advanced celebration jud sa akong birthday. And wait for a moment, kaya napakulikwa. Sorry. Abidyo na akong nagadiri. Di sa balay tong nips. Ako lang ipakita ninyo ang picture. Sa katong nips or video sa nips, yeah. Ako na ipakita ninyo. So, as you can see here, mo ni siya. Let me move my camera here. Okay, mo ni siya. Ayan. Mo ni siya. So, mo ni siya ang nips, yeah. Pero samang balay gihimo na akong siyang alkansya. Okay. Bisod kining kuan man. Bisod kining watay kwartang makuot in times of crisis, in times of emergency. So, in times of necessities, dapat naa kay makuot nga money to sustain your needs. And sa gihapon, we have to distinguish, no? Or to, what you call this one? We have to differentiate some things classified under needs and demand as taught by Abraham Maslow. Ano din ito? Trivia color kit ka eh. Okay, so again, mo ni siya ang sulod. And even this one, o kanipong tumbler. So, okay. So, that's it for our today's unboxing vlog. So, thank you everyone for watching. Adios.